Today we are discussing a very important public health issue that affects our environment, our water, and our lives. Many people do not know that the establishment of cemeteries and burial grounds in Nigeria is governed strictly by law. So today, we will be answering a very important question. Who can legally establish cemeteries and burial grounds in Nigeria? And why is the law so strict? Before we continue, sir, please introduce yourself to our listeners.
Thank you. Hello, I am Oladejo Kabiru Adiola, Deputy Director of the Environmental Health Services Department in Oyo State, Nigeria. Also the Secretary, Environmental Health Officers Association of Nigeria, Oyo State Chapter, and the Southwest Public Relations Officer, Environmental Health Officers Association of Nigeria. It is a pleasure to be here today.
Sir, many people believe that families,
communities, or religious bodies can establish their own cemeteries.
Who is legally allowed to establish cemeteries and burial grounds in Nigeria?
The law is very clear on this matter. According to the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, 4th Schedule, Part Wing, only local government councils are legally responsible for the establishment, maintenance, and regulation of cemeteries and burial grounds. This means that individuals, families, communities, religious organizations, or private persons do not have the legal authority to establish cemeteries on their own.
Why does the law restrict this responsibility to local government councils?
This restriction is for public health protection. When a body is buried, decomposition begins immediately. During this process, harmful microorganisms and body fluids are released into the soil. If burial grounds are not properly planned or managed, these contaminants can move underground and pollute wells, boreholes, and other water sources, exposing communities to serious health risks. That is why cemeteries must be approved, properly planned, and continuously monitored by local government authorities under the supervision of environmental health officers.
Some people still bury their loved ones in houses or on private land. What does the public health law say about them?
The Public Health Law, Chapter P16, clearly prohibits such practices. Section 39(4) states that burials in residential premises or any location other than approved public burial grounds are prohibited. This means that burial in houses or on private land without approval is illegal.
What about deaths resulting from infectious or communicable diseases? How does the law address such cases?
This is covered under Section 38 of the Public Health Law. If a medical officer of health suspects that a person dies from infectious or communicable disease, the body must be examined as necessary to prevent the spread of disease. Furthermore, Section 39(2) also states that such corpses must not be transported outside the state without authorization from the Ministry of Health.
Can residential buildings be used as morgues or embalming centers?
No. Section 39(3) of the Public Health Law clearly states that residential premises shall not be used as morgues or embalming centers. This provision is to prevent environmental contamination and protect public health.
What role do environmental health officers play in all of this?
EHOs are statutory public health professionals working under the authority of local government councils, as well as other relevant state and federal institutions as provided by the Constitution. Their responsibilities include monitoring cemeteries and burial grounds, enforcing the public health law, preventing illegal home burials, ensuring burials are conducted only in approved public cemeteries, protecting water sources, soil, and communities from contamination. They act on behalf of the government to safeguard public health.
Today's discussion makes it very clear that cemeteries are not just places of rest. They are a critical part of our environmental and public health system. Only local government councils are legally permitted to establish cemeteries and burial grounds in Nigeria. Any burial outside an approved public cemetery violates the law. When we respect these laws, we protect our health, our water, our environment, and our future generations. Thank you for listening to Sanitarian MBJ Talk Hub. Please follow me, like and share to help create awareness. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.